Miami feels like it's fall. It's got leaves all over the cars. Okay, so today I'll be working on a Skyline again, and this is something that I don't think a lot of people have done yet, just because it hasn't been available. But I got new carpets for the Skyline. So before I show you what I got, let's take a look inside my car real quick. So I'm gonna be replacing this carpet, which is the main carpet. Pretty clean, except on the driver's side. My clutch master was leaking when I first got the car, and it got all over underneath here. Ooh, zip tie. Oh yeah. So it's kind of like ruined underneath here, and that's why I got new carpet. So there it is. This is the before. I'm gonna reuse my Nismo floor mats, but changing out this carpet here. Let's see if I can show it. I guess it looks alright, but it was soaked in brake fluid before when I first got this car. Now let's take a look at the new carpet, and here's a new carpet. So this is Flame Red. Got it from Terra Firma, which is a pretty big name in the Skyline world. They're a dealership that sells a bunch of Skyline parts, and they had these custom made for the Skylines. What do you think? Rice or nice?
That'll be good. You still use the black floor mats, right?
Yes.
Because if it was just this, I think it would be too much.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. But
so you kind of just like see like edges of it.
Yeah.
That's red.
Yep.
Should be good. A little bit of rice, just a little bit.
It also came with these like insulation pads, which is nice. This will it's kind of like sound deadening and insulation. I wasn't expecting this. I thought it was just going to be carpet. Now to replace the carpet, I pretty much got to pull out the whole interior. So the seats, center console, these side molding things. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's the old carpet. A little dirty, but nothing terrible. No bad stains or anything. Except for over here, but you can't see. It's a view you don't see too often.
It's weird. It has back seats, but I guess it's pretty usable, huh? You actually crammed a couple of people back here.
I mean, I'm pretty comfortable back here. These GTR seats are nice.
What's this about?
Okay, seats are out, floor mats are out. Now next step is get the center console out. I'm not sure how much of this I gotta remove. And then I gotta pull out the rear seats.
And
it goes, oh yeah, and that. But once that's all out, it should be ready to pull the carpet. Yeah, so I gotta pull the glove box out. I gotta pull out this lower panel so that I can get the center piece out.
Phew.
Yeah.
It'll be okay. Maybe. So what you want? You want the red carpet treatment?
I want a Skyline Type R.
Whoa. I want to do this too on my Z. Because one of our friends had a Civic.
Yeah, my buddy had a Civic.
With red carpet?
It's not a Type R, but it was like basically built as a Type R. And that thing was sick. Just like this is about to be, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Like I saw the red carpet in this car, I was like, huh. Like it's different, but not like in your face different, you know?
It's hard. It's hard to explain. You just gotta see it in person. Or if you keep watching, you'll see it on this car. Oh.
Dang. Part out?
Yes. So much more work than I thought. Is that it?
It might be like tucked in between here. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, check this out now.
Are you serious?
Check all this out.
Oh wow.
Success.
I wonder if there's any other stuff you gotta pull.
Hey man, you gotta pull the engine too. Do the carpet.
It feels like this is glued on there.
Oh man.
Some mess of wires here. Let's see.
Lots of wires actually.
Dang, I gotta pull these brackets off too. This thing.
It's a lot of work.
I know. I was thinking I'm just gonna pull the seats out, pull the carpet out, and that's it. But I'm like taking half the dash apart.
Oh man, what are you doing?
See, it makes a good storage unit.
Wow. Yeah.
This is really hard to pull out.
They're kind of like clipped in there, right?
Yeah. They stay right here.
Dang, what are those? Huh?
Weak.
Huh? Huh?
Just you wait till.
Finally, what Alan's been training for for his whole life. Oh, that's stuck.
Oh man.
Oh man.
That's fine.
Here we go.
That's stuck.
All the insulation's stuck. Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I guess they glue it, huh? Raining pretty good. We got the tent though. Garage is 2 packs. #1 carpet content on YouTube.
Dude, it's really coming down now.
It's fine.
Dude, my back panels are all wet.
Oh,
You need a bigger tent. You need a bigger garage. You need a shop.
dang.
So far, it's really clean under here.
Not bad. Oh, you hear the rain coming down. You picked a good day to do this, Alan.
I know. I should have did this yesterday.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, carpet's out, and I just finished vacuuming the inside here, and I'm glad to see that there's no rust or anything, no holes. That's always a good sign. Now, before we throw in a new carpet, you gotta find out where these things go. There's the insulation in. And I got it all glued down too, so it shouldn't move too much. Now finally, we're ready for the carpet.
Hey, have you showed this yet?
I did.
Oh. Yeah, it's red.
It's red. It's very red. It's called flame red.
Flaming red?
Here's the old carpet. Kind of dirty, but yeah. Let's throw this in.
Now to make the journey from the garage to the car.
It's gonna be a hard one. Gotta open the door too.
I'm just gonna stand here.
That's it.
That's it? Okay. Alright. Probably estimating an hour of maneuvering this carpet around.
Yeah. My eyes hurt now. This thing is bright.
Dang. It's flaming red, it says, right?
Yep.
It's a hot Cheeto color. Okay. Looks like it's starting to take shape.
Getting there.
The floor is lava, I guess.
Sure.
Wow. something.
I just cut myself.
Wow. Dead.
That's it. This isn't worth it. Cut myself. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Been working on this thing for a few hours already. It's halfway back together. I've got all the little cutouts for the seat bolts. Got the center console back in. I think we're just about ready to put the seats back in.
Nice.
Yeah, this is a way bigger project than I thought. I thought it was going to take like an hour max, but nope, it's been all morning.
When I realized there was no holes cut out for anything, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I had to cut a lot of holes. Like, you know, all these seat brackets, seat bracket holes, the carpet holder, even a little bracket for the center console. What else? I also had to cut out the hole for the lever here. Yes, a lot of work, but we are almost there.
Yay for hot Cheeto carpet.
Hater.
I'm not hating, it's hot Cheeto carpet.
Okay, hot Cheetos are pretty good, but
Dang, seats going back in?
oh yeah.
Looks pretty good, huh? Red carpet. Beat me to it, huh?
You're gonna do this?
That was my plan with the Z.
So far, everything's lining up.
Dang, you need your Skyline carpet done? Here's the guy.
This was so much work.
Just gotta pay Alan with one donut. One maple bar would do it.
I mean, I'm not gonna refuse a maple bar.
To do all this?
Not to do all.
Took you all day, huh?
Yeah.
Well, here it is. Ooh.
Carpet is in.
Carpet's in, everything's put back together. Pretty much, except for this.
Yeah, I'll get to that later.
And
But
this. Whatever. Okay.
so right now it's kind of like too much red, right?
Uh-huh.
But what happens when I throw these in? Pretty sick, huh?
Look at that. Pretty nice contrast.
I'd say it's like the perfect amount of red. Yeah. I don't know what else I was gonna say, but
Good job. Okay, next, put them all in.
throw the other side in. So this side, I did a lot of work to get that dead pedal in there because there's no hole for it. Yeah. There was no holes for anything besides the shifter. So a lot of work. Okay, let's throw this mat in. Dang.
Ooh.
That's pretty sick. Yes, I am very happy with it. Install is very hard though, or not hard, but I guess it was more tedious than anything. A lot of trial and error, but
So, if you want to do this, you're going to take out like everything.
yeah, you guys saw it.
And then you have to cut out all these little holes for these, like, for this. That needs to be cut out.
Yeah, this is a hard one right here too, for the carpet holder, or the, not carpet, the floor mat holder. Because it was like in the middle, so I had to like guess where it was. But I got lucky. Yeah, so
Cool.
what else? I'm gonna do this later. I gotta trim this and then transfer the clips over.
So yeah, inspiration from Civic Type R, the EKs.
It was a unlikely source of inspiration, but
That's the only other car I've seen red carpet on, I think.
I'm not sure if any other car
I mean,
had
I'm
it.
sure there's other cars that have it, but that's the only one I've seen.
Like, I was thinking about it already, because my buddy had the Civic, the Civic with the red carpet. And then all of a sudden, Terra Firma posts up a car with this red carpet. I was like, no way, I gotta buy this.
Got you, huh?
Yep. Okay, everything is finally back together. So I put in these sill plates, got the rear seats in, got the rear floor mats in. Yeah, I think it looks real good. Updated the interior quite a bit. And this just looks so good. The R34 GTR pedals with the black and red. But now I've also noticed I gotta change out the dead pedal, but I got that on the way. Let's take a seat in here. It's my first time. Made it all dirty already. Yeah, I like it. I like the fact that just a little bit of red peeks through, and these black floor mats just like covers it up perfectly. Because if it was just like that, it would be too much red. But like this, it's perfect, I think. So my idea was to match these black and red OEM R33 GTR seats, because these are black and red. But unfortunately, the seats are faded. So it should look like this, but obviously it doesn't. And you also got to do something about these OEM R32 GTR seats. These used to be black and gray, but now it's blue. So I don't know if I'm gonna reupholster it or what, but I got to do something about it at some point because it doesn't match with everything else. Other than in seats though, I think the red carpet really turned out great. It's different from the usual black gray carpet, but then with these black floor mats in place, it's not overpowering, because that would have been way too bright. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I feel like a lot of guys don't like the colored carpets. I bet a lot of you guys like the black or the gray carpets, but I'm really happy that I went this way. I think it looks great. Kind of makes it stand out from a sea of skylines that are all the same. So that's gonna be the end of this one. Still lots more to do to this car. I have so many parts just sitting in the garage. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.